Guys, today I'm actually putting on a towbar and the Honda CRV. So coming like in three parts. So you got the flange, you got the actual bar, and they have one over there. So first, just remove the plastic cover, which is over there, and then you remove a couple of like these hook things here, and then you pull this out, and then you pull this one out. There's a screw here. You need to remove this screw and that one, and then you find a couple of clips and stuff. Yep, don't pull this side too much because on this side you have the cigarette lighter or the charging port, right? So just push this one aside like so, and then you find if I could take it out, you need to drill. Yeah, I done it really. If I could take this up. You need to drill the hole in here. Right. When you remove it, you're gonna see this bit. They're gonna see a couple of sinkholes in there, like a couple of bit where you know you should drill them. Right, like over on this side. You could see it like so. Right, you can see it like so. 1, 2, 3, and number 4. Right, you can actually see where you need to drill. They kind of have a little bit of dimple just right there. So you could just drill these holes in there, and then it will come. Okay, you're gonna drill it straight through there. Right. However, this one gonna go down like so, like this way, right? So you're gonna line up there, then you're gonna push this down in there like so. However, the bolt gonna go through here, then you're gonna screw it up, and then you're gonna screw one here as well. So just gonna put this one like so. Right, so this one will be like there, and underneath you're gonna put some more holes underneath like so, just like that. Right, as you can see, then we're gonna put a bolt through it down there. Right, so you can see it like that. And then these are the bolts that we're gonna put through here and go all the way up. But first we're gonna put the flange in it first. So this is the flange we're gonna put up there. So we're gonna catch one of these bolts, right? So we're gonna put this one up there. So we're gonna put the bolts through it, and then we're gonna try and catch the bolts in there. So here I got all 4 bolts. These I'm just gonna put them through here now. I'm gonna put one through here, like so. And one through there. Let's give it a little bit of tap. There you go, that's down. Right. So underneath now, we're gonna see where it comes out. You can see where those comes out. Right. And this we're gonna try and put this one up there. and then you're gonna bolt on 4 bolts to the side of that one. So I took it apart because I find it a little bit easier to do it like so, right? So I'm gonna because basically the car is still on the ground, yeah, right? So what I'm gonna do, the second one, I'm gonna have to take this down, take off the mounts, the exhaust mounts, and drop the exhaust just a little bit. And let's put a little board just to hold it up, right? So it won't come all the way down. And then we're gonna bolt it up from there. And now I'm gonna catch this one underneath. Okay, that's the other mount on that side. So I'm gonna do, just gonna put a little bit of WD-40 up top on that side. And then just gonna push it a bit down. It's there. So it's gonna take off that mount. Right. Okay, so what I did is just put the jack underneath it so you don't fall, and then I take off the mount like so. See, the mount was connected to there. I took that off. Okay guys, so in here you're just gonna put, because we drill one here, and drill one here, so just gonna drill another one. Some bigger holes in it, so we're gonna use a bigger one, right? Just to put some bigger hole in it, so just the same size as this could fit through there. So we'll pierce the holes in there, so just gonna make it big enough to put this in there. There you go. And now we're just gonna take this out. Right, to get this one on like so, what I did is drop the exhaust and I pre-bore the holes like so, so I know where to put the holes in them. Normally it's not where I have them, it's just right in that those thing right there, those little bump. So I'm gonna try here, like so. First one, gonna put it up here like so. I'm gonna catch the first bolt. Right, let me see if I can catch the first one. It's quite heavy, guys. Right, so out here, the last one. If you want to put the thing on, sometimes just put it on the bolt. Right, look tight, and just put it on the bolt like so. Right, and it kind of lubricated sometimes for you to put it on easy, like so. You put the washer. Let's put the washer up, and then first one now. Taking off the exhaust mount, just right here. So that's the mount. Thing, guys, what I'm gonna do in here, I'm gonna use some tread lock. I'm gonna put some tread lock in here before I put up the flange. So tread lock these first, and then I'm gonna. Okay. So what I did is just put the jack underneath it so you don't false, and then I take off the mount like so. See, the mount was connected to there. I took that off. Okay guys, so in here you're just gonna put